Drone seeding. Today we're out here in Spy Hill, Saskatchewan. We're on some winter triticale under pivot here, and we're doing some trials. We've got Italian ryegrass, berseem clover, and hairy vetch going down with a drone application at 10 pounds per acre. The goal here is we're going to take the winter triticale to harvest. We're going to have that living root. We're going to have those plants growing underneath. We'll plan to irrigate it within the trial. There will be a section of non-irrigated and irrigated. And then this fall, we'll look to get the cattle out here and look to get some grazing data. Looking forward to keeping you guys tuned in on this trial. The drone application is something that we get a ton of questions about throughout the year. It's something we've definitely been exploring, and it's very exciting to see it in action out here. We're really looking forward to this fall, seeing how those plants grow through the canopy and allow us to gain some excess growing days and some excess grazing days on this piece of land. I want to give a huge shout out to Robert Johnson of RJ Game Farm for coming out and assisting us in getting this project off the ground. Being able to have his drone out here was instrumental, and it'd be great to receive some data in the upcoming growing year.